Hello, everyone. I'm Daniela, and I'm really excited to let you know about the beautiful event that is happening at the end of this month, at the end of October. It is a festival of nonviolent communication. For me, nonviolent communication, it's more than a way of communicating with others. It is more of understanding and connecting with myself and with others. And for letting you know a little bit of what is happening behind the scene and what we prepare for you, I have a special guest, Yin. Welcome, Yin.
Hi, welcome.
He's a certified trainer of nonviolent communication, and during the festival he will offer you a workshop called Build Your Personal Support System. Ian, what is the intention of this workshop?
I think we've all been struggling over the last period of time with this change in how we relate to people. So, I'm living in a city at the moment where there are restrictions about meeting people. So I don't have the same access to those social contacts that I would normally have. I'm meeting people through Zoom, through through the computer in a variety of ways. And what we'd like to do in the workshop is to reconnect with the importance, first of all, of maintaining our support systems, by which I mean the people around us. So we all need support. None of us is an island. We all need practical support. We all need emotional support. And it's the emotional support, I think, that's often kind of missed and overlooked. It's become strained. Many people have become isolated. Many people are relying on themselves for their own support systems. To some extent, we live in cultures where the ideal is that we're self-sufficient. We can take care of ourselves. And I consider that important, but only in emergencies, only in situations when we just don't have access to people around us. We need human contact. So we'd like to explore in the workshop how to, where to go, how to know where to go for support, emotional support especially, how to ask for it, because that often is really difficult for us. I grew up in a culture where it was not considered appropriate to ask for help. So, I didn't learn how to do it, and we need to learn how to do it, how to ask for it, and how to take, how to really give and receive it, how to give and receive help, because it's a pleasure for us to support each other.
Wow. Thank you so much, Ian. And thank you everyone for watching, and instant come and explore a lot of things about your support system, and find the registration link below, and see you soon at the festival. Bye-bye.